Many outdoor enthusiasts have probably heard the phrase, clean, drain, dry, dispose. But few people realize that this message applies to all outdoor equipment that comes into contact with the water. When you move water, mud, vegetation, and other unwanted organisms from one place to another, you risk spreading invasive species that can hurt the natural places we love. To ensure Missouri's waters stay clean, follow these simple steps. Clean all mud, vegetation, or visible organisms off your kayak, paddle, boat, fishing rods, or other equipment before you leave the lake, pond, river, or stream. Drain all water before leaving a water access site, ensuring that drain plugs are left open to comply with Missouri law. Allow equipment to dry completely before using at a different water body. If you don't have time to let it dry completely, decontaminate it with hot water. Finally, if you're fishing with live bait, make sure you dispose of it by sealing it in a container, such as a plastic bag, and throw it in the trash. Following the simple steps of clean, drain, dry, dispose will help keep Missouri's lakes, ponds, rivers, and streams beautiful and healthy. For more information, visit mdc.mo.gov.
This video was made in partnership with the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service, and the Missouri Department of Conservation.